Hello Vitepos users, welcome back. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete product exchange process in Vitepos. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Settings section from your Vitepos admin panel and open the Basic tab. Scroll down and you'll find the exchange settings. To begin, simply enable the exchange option, save your changes, and move to the pause panel. Now, place a regular order. Once completed, go to the order module, select your order, click the drop-down icon, and choose Exchange. The exchange panel will open instantly. From here, click the plus icon, select the product you want to exchange, and add it to the cart. Then, choose the new product you want to provide in return. You'll see the exchange balance calculated at the bottom. Make sure the new product's price does not exceed the exchanged item. In this example, the new product price exceeds the exchange product price. The exchange product costs $20 including tax, while the new product costs $25 including tax. So, the customer will need to pay the additional amount. Now, let's continue the transaction. Once everything is set, click Pay Now. Select a payment method and complete the transaction. A new receipt will be generated, and this will be treated as a separate exchange order. Now, if we go back to the order list and locate the exchanged order, you'll notice an exchange icon displayed next to it. This icon clearly indicates that the order has been processed as an exchange. Now, let's look at discounted order exchanges. First, we need to enable this feature from the Vitepos admin panel. We go to Settings, open the Basic tab, and enable the Allow Discounted Order Exchange option. Then we click Save Changes. Note, if a customer purchases a product with a discount applied and later wants to exchange it, this option controls whether the exchange is allowed. When the option is turned on, you can easily proceed with the exchange. However, if the option is turned off, exchanges for discounted orders will not be permitted. Now, let's navigate to the Pause module to place a new order. From the Pause module, we create a new order with a 10% discount and complete the order. Once the order is completed, we go to the Order module, select the order, and click on Product Exchange. The exchange panel will open. Now, we select the product we want to exchange, and then choose the new product. We can see that the previous discount is automatically adjusted, and we can also apply a discount to the new product if needed. Once everything is set, simply click on the Pay Now button, select your payment method, and finalize the transaction. Now, let's enable and explore negative exchange. First, we go back to the Vitepos admin panel. From the settings, we enable the Allow Negative Exchange option and then save the settings. With this feature enabled, Vitepos allows us to process exchanges where the exchanged product's price is higher than the new product. In such cases, a negative amount will appear, which means a refund needs to be issued to the customer. Now, let's see how this works in practice. We create a new order from the Pause module and complete it. Then, we go to the Order module, select that order, and open the Product Exchange panel. From here, we first select a higher priced product as the exchange item. Then, we choose a new product with a lower price. At the bottom of the cart, we can clearly see a negative balance displayed, indicating the refund amount. We select a payment method and complete the transaction. Finally, on the receipt, the exact refund amount is clearly mentioned, so the staff knows how much needs to be returned to the customer. Now, let's enable the No Partial Refund Exchange option. From the Vitepos admin panel, we navigate to Settings, open the Basic tab, enable No Partial Refund Exchange, and save the changes. With this feature enabled, if a product is exchanged for a lower priced item, no refund will be issued to the customer. Now, let's see how it works. We're back to the Pause module. Select a few items and complete a new order. Next, we navigate to the Order module. Select the order and open the Product Exchange panel. Here, we choose a higher priced product for exchange, and then select lower priced products as the replacement. At the bottom of the cart, a negative balance is displayed, indicating a price difference. However, the exchange continues without issuing any refund. We proceed by selecting a payment method and complete the transaction. Finally, on the receipt, you'll notice that no refund amount is displayed, as the no partial refund exchange feature is active. And that's how the product exchange system works in Vitepos. You can adjust these settings based on your business requirements. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more updates.